The single biggest shift on Upwork in the past 5 years is happening right now. It isn't about connects, it isn't about the algorithm, and it isn't just another feature. Upwork has fundamentally changed how you get hired. Your first interview is no longer with a person, it's with an AI. This isn't some future prediction, it's the reality of the Upwork Summer 2025 update. A massive wave of new features has been unleashed, and at the very center of it is Uma, Upwork's mindful AI, which has now evolved into an always-on AI work agent. The star of the show is a new feature called Instant Interviews, and it means an AI is now your first gatekeeper. Are you ready to get past the bot? Most freelancers aren't. They're going to keep sending proposals the same old way, and they risk being overlooked by this new system before a client ever sees their name. They won't understand why their proposals are suddenly less effective or why the invitations have slowed down. But today, I'm going to pull back the curtain. We're going to dissect this new AI gatekeeper, and I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step playbook to not just pass the AI interview, but to make it see you as the perfect candidate. This is how you beat the bots. Before you can beat the bot, you have to understand it. This isn't just a simple keyword scanner. Upwork has been clear. They've evolved Uma from a helpful tool into an active work agent designed to speed up hiring. The goal is to solve a huge pain point for clients, sifting through dozens, sometimes hundreds of proposals. The instant interview feature is their solution. Here's how it works. When a client posts a job, they can now enable instant interviews. If they do, they give Uma a set of specific questions for every applicant to answer. To submit your proposal for that job, you have to complete this pre-recorded video interview. There's no skipping it. You'll record your answers to the AI's prompts, and then Uma gets to work. The AI does 3 things with your interview. First, it creates a full transcript of everything you said. Second, it records the entire video for the client to review if they choose. And third, this is the most critical part, it generates a structured summary and an interview rating of your responses for the client. It actively highlights how your skills and experience align with the job description. So what does this all mean for you? It means your proposal isn't just a cover letter and a profile anymore. It's a multimedia package being analyzed for substance and presentation. The AI isn't just listening, it's designed to assess things a cover letter can't, like your communication skills, language fluency, and problem-solving abilities. Think of Uma as a hyper-efficient HR assistant. It's been trained on a vast amount of data from the platform, likely including successful job posts, top freelancer profiles, and client feedback. It's looking for patterns, it's looking for clarity, it's looking for a direct line between the client's problem and your solution. The danger here is that if your answers are vague, if you ramble, or if you don't use the right language, the AI summary that the client eventually sees will reflect that. The client might get a summary that says candidates' responses were unclear on their experience with X. You could be the most qualified person for the job, but if you can't communicate that effectively to an AI, you will be screened out. The game has a new layer, a new gatekeeper that doesn't care about your personality in the way a human does. It cares about data. It cares about checking boxes. Our job is to give it the right data so it can check all the right boxes. A quick heads up though, if you're freelancing full-time or trying to get there, Bloom is hands down the best free tool that I've found for contracts, invoices, and client management. I use it myself at Kraken, and if you want to try it, it starts at like $7 a month and they have a free trial. It replaces about $150 worth of other tools per month that you need. If you want to try it, there's a free trial, links in the description. Go grab it, streamline your business, look like a pro with it, and book more work. Your first interaction with the AI happens long before you see a job post. Uma, the AI agent, doesn't just analyze your interview, it constantly scans the entire platform. When a client starts a search or the AI shortlists candidates, it's crawling profiles to find the best matches. Your profile is the foundation of your Upwork presence, and if it's not optimized for an AI, you're starting with a handicap. We need to turn it into a beacon that signals expert to the algorithm. Let's start with your title. This is the most valuable real estate on your profile. A title like web developer or graphic designer is a huge missed opportunity. It's generic and it tells the AI nothing specific about your value. The AI is looking for keywords that match in-demand skills and what clients are searching for. A before title might be something like content writer. An after title, Optimized for AI would be SEO content strategist, B2B tech, and SaaS blog writer. Let's break down why that's so much better. It's packed with high-value keywords: SEO, content strategist, B2B, SaaS, and blog writer. An AI scanning for a tech content expert will instantly flag this profile. It's specific, it defines a niche, and it uses the language that high-paying clients use. Use every character in that title to signal your precise expertise. Think about what a client would type into the search bar and get those words in your title. Next up is your profile summary. That first paragraph is your hook. Most freelancers waste it with something like, "Hi, I'm a dedicated freelancer who loves to deliver quality work." The AI isn't impressed with that. It's looking for results and keywords. Your new first paragraph should be a power statement, starting with your main value proposition. For example, I help B2B SaaS companies increase their organic traffic and generate qualified leads through a data-driven SEO content strategy. In the last year, I've helped clients achieve an average of 150% traffic growth and land on the first page of Google for competitive keywords. This paragraph contains keywords like B2B, SaaS, organic traffic, qualified leads, data-driven, and SEO content. More importantly, it focuses on quantifiable results: 150% traffic growth. AI models are trained to recognize and prioritize metrics. You're not just telling the AI what you do, you're showing them how well you do it. The rest of your summary should use bullet points for your specific services, the tools you're an expert in, e.g. Ahrefs, SEMrush, Google Analytics, etc., and the clients you serve. This makes it incredibly easy for an AI to parse and categorize your skills. Now let's talk about the skills section. Don't just list a few broad skills. Max out the number you can add. Be specific. Instead of just writing, add SEO writing, copywriting, technical writing, blog writing, white paper writing. The AI uses these tags to help match you with jobs. The more relevant tags you have, the more visible you will become. Finally, your portfolio. Every portfolio piece needs a descriptive title and a detailed description. Don't just upload an image. Title it Case Study, SEO Content Strategy for a FinTech Startup. In the description, briefly explain the client's problems, your actions, and the results that you achieved. The client needed to rank for small business financial planning. I developed a pillar page and cluster content strategy, resulting in a number 3 ranking and a 30% increase in demo requests within 4 months. When you do this across your entire profile, you're creating a dense, interconnected web of keywords and results. You are spoon-feeding the AI exactly what it's programmed to look for. When it analyzes your profile, it won't see a generic freelancer. It will see a specialist whose skills perfectly align with high-value client needs. With your profile optimized, let's turn to the proposal itself. The old rules still apply. Be professional, address the client's needs, and prove you can solve their problems. But with an AI gatekeeper, you need a new layer of strategy. Your proposal has to be persuasive to a human and perfectly scannable for an AI. The biggest mistake is sending a generic copy-pasted proposal. An AI is going to spot this immediately because they can probably see all of your proposals. The key to success now is probably going to be hyper-personalization based on the job description. The job post is your cheat sheet. The client, likely with help from Uma, has filled it with the exact keywords and skills they need. Your job is to mirror that language back in your proposal. Let's say a job post asks for an expert in creating engaging video scripts for YouTube who can increase audience retention and has experience with tech tutorials. A really weak opening is going to be, "I read your job post and I am confident I can help you." An AI-optimized opening is, "As a specialist in creating engaging video scripts for YouTube, my main focus is crafting content that measurably increases audience retention. I have deep experience developing clear and concise tech tutorials for software and hardware channels." See the difference? We have woven the client's exact key phrases into the opening sentence. When the AI scans this, it sees an immediate, perfect match. Throughout your proposal, you should continue to naturally integrate keywords from the job description. Next, structure your proposal for scannability. Long, dense paragraphs are hard for humans to read and for AI to parse. Use short paragraphs and bullet points to highlight key information. A great structure is a simple three-part formula: your hook, your opening paragraph that mirrors their language and states your value, like we just discussed. The proof. Use bullet points to showcase relevant experience and results. This is where you connect your past wins to their current problems. And then project. Develop a 10-part tutorial series for a SaaS client which led to a 40% increase in average view duration. Skill. Expert level ability to structure scripts with storytelling loops to maximize audience retention. Result. Grew a client YouTube channel from 10K to 50K subscribers in 6 months by optimizing script quality. The process, and then briefly outline your plan. This shows both the AI and the client that you understand the project and have a logical approach. My process would start with a detailed content brief, followed by script writing in a shared doc for feedback, and final delivery in your preferred format. This structure is clean, easy to read, it's packed with information that the AI is just going to find delicious. By mirroring the client's language and structuring your info for easy analysis, you help ensure the AI summary to the client reads something like, "This candidate addressed all my key requirements, provided evidence of relevant results, and has a clear project plan." That is how you can pass the first filter. Mastering the system is going to take some practice, and it's going to take a bit of learning from all of us as it gets rolled out and we all learn how to use it. Alright, cool. So you've optimized your profile, you've submitted an AI-proof proposal, and now you've reached the final step in this new system, the instant interview with Uma. This is where you can either seal the deal or where it can all fall apart. Remember, the AI is evaluating not just what you say, but how you say it. First, your technical setup. Treat this like a real professional interview. This isn't the time for a grainy webcam in a messy room. While the AI may not judge your background, the client who might watch the video playback afterwards certainly will. Make sure you have good lighting on your face, a clean background, and clear audio. Look directly into the camera lens, not at yourself on the screen. This creates a sense of eye contact and projects confidence. When the interview begins, you'll see the client's questions one by one and record your answer for each. The key here is structure. Don't just ramble. The AI is transcribing and summarizing, and a rambling answer is hard to analyze. The best way to structure your answer is by using the STAR method. It's a classic interview technique that is perfect for an AI. S. Situation. Briefly describe the context. A previous e-commerce client was dealing with a high cart abandonment rate. T. Task. State your responsibility. My job was to rewrite their product descriptions and checkout copy to build trust and cut down on friction. A. Action. Describe the specific steps you took. I researched user pain points and crafted new copy using A/B testing, focusing on benefit-driven language and clear calls to action. And then R. The results. Quantify the outcome. This led to a 25% drop in cart abandonment and a 10% increase in their overall conversion rate within the first month. This structure is pure gold for an AI. It's logical, data-driven, and directly links your actions to a business outcome. For every question the AI asks, try to frame your answer using this model. It turns a simple answer into a mini case study. You also need to consciously demonstrate the soft skill the AI is designed to spot. Communication. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Avoid filler words like and are and like. I say that a lot. A clean transcript is easier for the AI to analyze in your favor. If you feel like you need to say just pause for a second, because the pause won't be on the transcript, but will. Problem solving. If you get a hypothetical question, walk the AI through your thinking. Don't just give the answer. Say something like, my first step would be to look at the existing data. From there, I'd form a hypothesis. After that, I would propose a test. This shows a structured approach. Confidence. Speak with a confident tone. Your vocal tone is a data point. A steady, clear voice will be interpreted more favorably than a hesitant one. The client provides the question, so they're telling you exactly what they care about. If they ask, tell us about your experience with social media marketing, don't just say, I have 5 years of experience. Use the STAR method to tell a short story about a successful campaign you ran. Always show, don't just tell. By combining a professional setup with structured, data-driven answers, you give the AI everything it needs to give you a top rating. The summary it sends the client will be filled with their keywords, backed by concrete results and a clear demonstration of your skills. The introduction of Upwork's AI agent Uma and instant interviews isn't just an update, it's a fundamental change to the platform. It has created a new bot gatekeeper that will filter out the unprepared. But for those who understand these new rules, this isn't a threat. It is a huge opportunity to rise above your competition. Let's recap the playbook. First, build an AI-proof foundation, an optimized profile with a keyword-rich title and a results-driven summary. Next, craft AI-optimized proposals that mirror the client's language and are easy to scan. And finally, ace the AI interview by using the STAR method to give clear, confident, and data-backed answers. Work is being reshaped by AI in real time, and Upwork is at the forefront of that shift. While others might see this as a scary automated future, you now have the strategy to make it your competitive advantage. You know what the AI is looking for? You know how it delivers. The bots aren't here to stop you. They're here to be beaten. Now, go make it happen.